Today we're on one of the worst roofs we've ever seen in the western suburbs of Chicago, and the owners have hired us to fix some of these details. The first thing up is fixing the bad drains. And as you can see, this drain is all wrong. Somebody used a regular field dome strainer, stuck it deep into the wall. As a result, this drain clogs easily, the water doesn't make it to the drain outlet, and it's just bad all around. First step is to tear off the old roof and the old flashing so that we can see what we got to work with. As you can see, the old flashing is doing more to clog the drain than actually waterproof the roof. Next step, tear out the old insulation so that we can see what we're dealing with. Luckily, we found an intact, shop-fabricated scupper. A little bit of framing to make the opening smaller for the new scupper. And then we put in a tapered sump in order to provide positive slope to the drain. Now we have our tapered sump in there and we're ready for membrane. For this drain, we decided to use this OMG Retro Scupper. Perfect for this application. With the new retro drain installed and fitted, we're ready for a target patch to finish off flashing this drain. Once we install the clamping ring and the debris strainer, we are done. And that, folks, is how it should look.